Today we're showing you a 2012 John Deere 5083E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has 83 horsepower, has just over 750 hours on it. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. Comes with a John Deere H260 quick attach front loader. It does have the skid steer style quick attach here for your bucket connection. Has the 84-inch heavy duty construction bucket that goes with it. Front grill guard goes with the tractor. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Front tires do show a little wear, and they do have a little bit of weathering, but they definitely still have some light in them yet. Work lights in front of the cab, mid hose connections here. 18430 rear tires are in real nice shape. Work lights in the cab. Telescopic 3-point arms back here, 540 and 540E PTO. Drawbar top link are both included. Dual rear hydraulics back here. It's got the toolbox right here on the side of the tractor. Again, very clean, very nice tractor. Has a tilt steering wheel, left-hand power reverser, allows you to change direction without clutching. Full suspension seat here for the operator. To the left of the seat here, you've got your four-wheel drive and your 540, 540E PTO selector. 12-speed transmission. You got 3 ranges back here, 4 synchronized gears up top here, giving you a total of 12 speeds. Factory installed joystick there for your loader control. In the control console, you've got your hydraulic and 3-point controls, as well as your PTO engagement. Up top, you've got the radio, heat and air conditioning controls, sun visor and rear view mirror. See, it's a very nice, very clean tractor. The engine is prior to the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing on our equipment. If you have any questions, please contact us.